This is my friend Jim. He's fixing the shower. It was dripping.
God damn it.
He's now stepping in my tub, getting it dirty with his dog shit on his boots.
Any dog shit I have is from your front yard.
From what?
From your front yard.
Didn't say where it came from. He's putting on a washer. Is that whole thing coming out? He's now wiping his dirty boots on my foot wiper. He's proceeding to destroy my bathroom. Gleefully, I might add. So where's the washer?
Just calm yourself.
Well, I'm just curious, that's all. Now, don't damage anything.
Please, do you mind? Please? Please? Can you just... Alright, just gonna have to... You're gonna push it. Alright.
Oh, shit.
Do you have a chisel?
A what? What is a chisel? You were kidding, I hope. What did you just do? Oh, Jesus.
Do you mind?
Damage the tile?
Do you mind? Excuse me? I thought you turned it off.
It's turned off. It's completely. Yeah. Oh. It's not the camera. Don't mess up the camera.
Turn the...
It's turned off. It's turned off.
I can see the red light. Turn the camera on.
That's about the funniest thing I've seen in my life. Oh. 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 Holy mackerel.
Shut the hell up.
Oh, my stomach is hurting. Oh my god, that was so funny. I have to watch like... Yes.
We need a washer.
Okay, let's go get a washer. Let's see it. Where's the washer?
Do you see the washer?
No, don't get water in the camera. Is it this
Right
white
there.
thing? The white thing?
What is this? What is it? Touch it. Touch it. Here, feel it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's what we need. That was funny. Oh. Okay, so let's go get a washer. Here we go. Oh, excuse me, I gotta get the phone. Hello. From the store, and we got ourselves a new washer. And this is called Jim's Home Improvement. And here he is. He's tightening piece. Hopefully not breaking it. Screwing it in. Did it fit in pretty good, Jim? Does it feel tight?
Snug.
Snug, he says. Sound fitting.
Where's the handle?
Non-dripping. What? You just put it on right now?
No, let me just have the handle. Just the handle! God damn it.
Please don't curse.
Is it family film?
Video. We'll wait now. What? Does it fit nice?
Would you like to try turning the water on?
Are you trying to tell me that it's ready?
I would like you to try to turn the water on.
Jim now tells me. Jim says, please turn on the water. I'm in shock. He says to turn on the water.
Pop that zit, Ed. Can you just get here? Let me just get in there with this.
I don't think that's necessary. Okay, really? We are turning on the water. Huh? Do it. Is it working? Jim? If you tighten everything up, will that stop?
Want me to try?
Yeah. Could it be this one? Just takes time, maybe.
It seems like it's off, doesn't it?
Yep. Jim, you did it.
It's still dripping.
Now it's finished. Jim has fixed the leak.
See, it's dripping.
That's not a drip. That's just a droplet. It has to get used to the new washer. Would you please stop that? Just has to get used to the new washer. This is Jim falling back in my bed. No, come on. You didn't mind the other night.
You're a more gentle one.
I'm sorry. Okay, so basically it is fixed. Jim has fixed the leak. Isn't that wonderful? Now you take care and I'll see you next week. Bye now. Bye.
Get the hell out of here.
Say goodbye for the camera, Jim.
Ow! Bye.